So, is Bitcoin likely to get a correction? Yes, but not right yet, because the news, as you already know, is bullish for Bitcoin. As you know, the market is already expecting an approval for a Bitcoin spot ETF, and we know and we're likely expecting it to be approved early next month. We also have the Federal Reserve, which is likely to cut interest rate in 2024, which is all bullish for the crypto markets. As you can see, Bitcoin has been having its moment, its glory moment in the sun, in anticipation for that spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, we can't keep going up and up and up and up without some form of correction. So the question is when? It's hard to say. Could this approval of the upcoming spot Bitcoin ETF be something of buy the rumor, buy the news? We don't know. Or buy the rumor, sell the news. You have to expect either outcome. But what we know for sure is that Bitcoin is going higher. And for all those skeptics, let's switch to the logarithmic chart on Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin over time. Does this look like Bitcoin is going to zero? Absolutely not. As a matter of fact, let's switch back to the linear chart. We're expecting Bitcoin to top in 2024, 2025 in and around this area. Anywhere from 100,000, who knows? 160, 200,000, who knows? Only time will tell. But definitely expect some type of correction soon. And when we have a correction in the market, that's going to be your opportunity to buy these dips before the halving next year, 2024. New to cryptocurrency? Let us guide you at TechMalak.com. We simplify your entry into the crypto world with our carefully selected list of crypto gems, from low cap wonders to blue chip stalwarts. Cut through the clutter and find the most promising crypto projects quickly and confidently. Join us at TechMalak.com and embark on your cryptocurrency journey with clarity and support.